The chief guest of today's event, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Delhi Technological University, Professor Jaiprakash Saini Sir. The guest of honor, Eminent Chair, IEEE Delhi Section, Professor Rachna Garg Ma'am. The guest of honor, esteemed Chapter Chair, Computer Society, IEEE Delhi Section, Mr. Damandev Sood Sir. The revered head of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Professor N.S. Raghav Sir. The respected Dean Students Welfare DTU, Professor S. Indu Ma'am. The respected Senior Director IEEE Standard Association, Mr. Sri Chandra Sir. The distinguished Professor, Professor Gurjeet Kaur Ma'am. The respected IEEE Executive, Mr. Pramod Sir, and the dear participants. Good afternoon to one and all. As Brendan O'Brien has rightly said, if you think that internet has changed your life, think again. The Internet of Things is about to change it all over again. On behalf of the Department of ECE DTU, I welcome you all for the 2 days IEEE workshop on Internet of Things, the future of connectivity. Now may I take the pleasure of requesting Ms. Garima Singh to extend a floral welcome to the Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. Thank you. I would be glad to request Ms. Asba to present a bouquet of flowers to Professor Rachna Garg Ma'am. Thank you. May I request Ms. Garima Singh to welcome Mr. Damandev Sood Sir with a bouquet of flowers. Thank you. Now I would like to request Ms. Asba to extend floral welcome to Professor N.S. Raghav Sir. Now I wish to invite Ms. Garima Singh to extend welcome to Professor S. Indu Ma'am. Now I would request Ms. Asba to welcome Mr. Sri Chandra Sir with a bouquet of flowers. Now may I request Ms. Garima Singh to welcome Professor Gurjeet Kaur Ma'am. Now I wish to invite Ms. Asba to present a floral welcome to Mr. Pramod Kumar Sir. Now I request Ms. Garima Singh to extend a floral welcome to Madhusudan Sir. Thank you. May I now take the honor to invite Professor S. Indu Ma'am to step forward and welcome our esteemed guest and present the brief agenda of this event. Ma'am.
Good afternoon all. Professor J.P. Saini, Honorable Vice Chancellor of DTU and NSIT. Professor Rachna Garg, Chair IEEE Delhi Section. Shri Damandev Sood, Chair Computer Society, Chapter IEEE Delhi Section. Professor N.S. Raghava, HOD ECE Department. Mr. Sri Chandra, Senior Director IEEE Standards. Mr. Pramod, Manager IEEE Standards Association. Shri Krishna, he is an expert from CDAC who is going to deliver the first talk. Professor Gurjeet Kaur, coordinator of this program. Professor Madhusudan Singh, our registrar of the university. Professor O.P. Verma, Professor Rajesh Johalla, Professor Neeta Pandey, and all faculty members, students and participants of the program. It is my proud privilege to welcome you one and all to the workshop. I am thankful to God for making the situation favorable to organize this event in person after a break of around 2 years due to the pandemic. We all know that the Internet of Things connects millions of devices, and you will be able to see that you can see number of embedded devices surrounding you more than human being present here. The devices which is present in this room will be definitely more than the human beings present, and the internet connection through them is going to change our life very soon. 15 years before, I was starting my PhD, and I have read an article in a journal stating that, like the computer, and at that time mobile phone was not popular. The laptop which you take, and it will be scanning things all around you, and you will find out things which you are searching, and then they will notify you. For example, if I am looking for a course on IoT and if see some banner like this, photo will be taken by the laptop and that will notify you. So that is going to happen very soon. And maybe your laptop or now mobile phone will be searching all around, and they can understand your feeling, and then they will be helping you in doing things. So tremendous change is going to happen for the introduction of this IoT. So it is having applications in many places. Name an area, you will have an application. For example, it can be used in environmental monitoring, infrastructure management, industrial applications, energy management, medical and healthcare system, transport system, agricultural management, and many more. The applications is very wide. IEEE Standards Association was very kind to arrange a galaxy of experts in different fields for organizing this workshop. We have around 11 experts, and C. Krishna is already present here from CDAC. For next 2 days, half a day workshop we have organized, where you can hear a lot of things about Internet of Things. And IEEE is doing a fantastic job in making advanced courses which you can self-learn through IEEE blended learning program. And the main requirement is to update yourself to the technology that IEEE is helping all of you. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor J.P. Saini sir, who kindly agreed to become chief guest of this program. Thank you, sir, for taking time of your busy schedule. We all know that it is really difficult to lead 2 big universities like NSUT and DTU, and you always do it with a smile in your face. And thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation. Let us welcome him with a big round of applause. We have with us Professor Rachna Garg, Chair IEEE Delhi Section. She always supported all the activities related to IEEE in the university for last 10-15 years. She was with us always. We are thankful for Professor Rachna for making it convenient for joining us today. Let us welcome her with a big round of applause. We have with us Mr. Daman Dev Sood, Chapter Chair, Computer Society. Thank you, sir, for agreeing to join us in a very short span of time. We have invited him 2 days before, and he is here. Thank you, sir. Welcome. We have with us Mr. Chi Chandra, Senior Director, IEEE Student Association, and Mr. Pramod, Manager, IEEE Student Association. They are the one who conceived the idea of this workshop. We have talked about this in last year, February or so, and we were planning it. Anyway, the next day or the next week, the pandemic started, and everything was gone upside down. And now, because of their planning and their support, we could organize this event this day in person. Let us welcome them with a big round of applause. We have Professor N.S. Raghava, HOD-ECE, Professor Gurjit Kaur, coordinator of this program, and all committee of the organizing team. Without the support of HOD and hard work of the team led by Professor Gurjit, this event was not possible. Let us welcome them with a huge round of applause. I would like to welcome Professor Madhusudan sir. He always supported me, and I have just taken this paper to him and he approved it. And so that is why we could do this. Welcome you, sir. Welcome you, sir. I would like to welcome all the faculty members, participants, and volunteers present in this room. Let us hope this function will be a grand success. Welcome you one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words and sharing the glimpses of the events with us. Now, I would be glad to request Mr. Damandev Sood, sir, to kindly come and address the audience.
Thank you very much. So good afternoon, everyone. I'll not take much time, maybe 2 minutes only. How many students do we have here in the hall? Can you see the hands, please? How many students? I'm also a student, by the way. I'm a lifelong learner. Even today I'll be picking up some points for sure, so I'm also a student. How many IEEE members do we have here? How many are not IEEE members? Let me see those. How many non-IEEE members? So perhaps, I'm saying perhaps the biggest society or group of technical people, this is my definition of IEEE, the biggest group globally of technical professional people. That's what IEEE is. Whatever I am today, I am because of IEEE. What I am, you can do Google search and you can see that later. But I look forward to all being IEEE members tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is a great platform, great event that has been organized. This is the need of the hour. We need to understand this. We need to work on this. So very timely, while organizers have said that it has been delayed. The best time was yesterday, it has gone. The next best time is today, so let's do it now. This is how we should take it. This is the right time to do it. Please make the best use of these 2 days. If you have any questions about what I do, what CS chapter, Computer Society chapter does, please write to me separately. Today I wouldn't like to take that time because this is today, tomorrow is this event about IoT. In short, right? Even I wouldn't understand what IoT was about a couple of years ago. Actually, I used to read this L, not I. I was so uneducated about this, right? So I'm again saying, I'm a student, lifelong learner. Let's all do this together. Computer Society chapter has just joined hands in this activity. We do many other activities also. Please stay in touch, keep looking at what IEEE Delhi section specifically has been doing, and keep attending, keep participating. You could be speaking also, by the way. Not only the speakers today that we have got today and tomorrow for you, next time you could be speaking. So again, stay in touch with us, let us know please, and we'll be happy to host you. Thank you very much. All the best for these 2 days.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your wisdom. Now may I take the pleasure of inviting Professor Rachna Garg ma'am to please come and address the audience.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, of DTU and NSUT, Professor JP Saini, sir, Registrar DTU, Professor Madhusudan, sir, HOD Electronics Department, Professor Raghav, Mr. Sri Chandra, who is the manager IEEE from Standards Association, Dean Student Welfare DTU, Professor S. Sindhu, then Chair of IEEE Computer Society Chapter, Mr. Damandev Sood, Mr. Pramod, and the Program Coordinator, Professor Gurjeet, all the faculty members who are present here, the participants, and dear students and volunteers of this program. First of all, at the outset, let me extend my best wishes to the organizers for organizing this very timely and very need of the hour workshop on Internet of Things. I am also glad that IEEE Delhi section is also a part of this event, and we are proud to be a part of this event. First of all, let me tell you about IEEE. I think most of you are IEEE members and must be knowing about IEEE, but as you know, IEEE is the world's largest technical and professional society, and it works for the advancement in technology for the betterment of humanity. So these two words are the focal words, that is betterment, that is the advancement in technology, and secondly the betterment of society or humanity. We are developing, we are in the area of technology which helps in the development of humanity and society. The IEEE worldwide has around 4 lakh plus members, and so you can see it is such a big umbrella, and we are happy and proud and privileged to be a part of such a big society. And I hope once this workshop will be over, many of you who are not IEEE member will also get the IEEE membership, because you will come to know what are the advantages that IEEE may offer to you. Now, especially about Delhi section, since I am the chair of IEEE Delhi section, I would like to tell you a bit about Delhi section. IEEE Delhi section is one of the 13 sections in India which comes under the region 10 of IEEE. IEEE is divided into 10 regions. First 7 regions are in US, then we are the Asia and Pacific region, it comes under region 10, and so India comes under region 10. And out of all the sections in India, geographically Delhi section has got the biggest area. It covers the entire northern part of the country, consisting of the 4 states of Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, and National Capital Territory of Delhi, Union Territories of Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, etc. So the entire northern part of India comes under Delhi section, and the Delhi section at present, as per today's statistics, it has got 4,500 plus members, and the Delhi section has started in 1976, so it has seen a huge growth. And there are 2 subsections in Delhi section. One is Rajasthan subsection, other is Chandigarh subsection, and we have around 22 technical societies like Power and Energy Society, Power Electronic Society, Computer Society, of which Daman sir is the member. Then so many other societies are there, and these societies, they help in giving you the technical know-how about the latest in the particular area. There are, along with the technical society, we have 4 affinity groups also, out of which one very important affinity group is Women in Engineering, which looks after the interest of the women in engineering. And DTU also has got a vibrant chapter of Women in Engineering. Then we also have around 100 student branches, 100 plus student branches and chapters in Delhi section. And again, I am happy to tell you that the DTU student branch is one of the most vibrant student branch, and it has got a membership around 250 plus student members, and is working a lot towards the student community. We are organizing regularly, we are organizing the webinars, technical lectures, some social activities, some humanitarian activities. So I am thankful to DTU and for organizing, for giving so much support to the Delhi section. Also, many of our faculty members are a member of IEEE, and around 8 to 10 faculty members are the senior members of IEEE. So we are so DTU always held a special place in Delhi section, and I hope it will continue to give support to the Delhi section as it is giving now. So with these words, I would like to again thank the organizer of the program, especially Professor Indu and her team, for inviting me to this workshop, and also for for inviting IEEE Delhi section to be associated with this program. And my best wishes to the participants, and I think they will have the great takeaways during this workshop and will learn a lot from this workshop. I would also like to thank Professor Saini, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, and our Registrar, Professor Madhusudan Singh, for permitting to allow this workshop in the physical mode. Because at the end of the day, online, if you compare online and physical mode, I feel if the situation is normal, physical mode is always better than the online mode. So I thank you, sir, for allowing us to go for the physical mode. Once again, best wishes for the workshop, and thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. We are very grateful to be the recipient of your kind words. It takes immense pleasure in requesting our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to enlighten all the participants with his kind words.
Once again, thanks to Department of Electronics Engineering for inviting me today, because I was not prepared. In fact, I was not expecting. But fortunately, I am here with you here. So thank you for IEEE section, Delhi section, for giving this opportunity to DTU for organizing this wonderful workshop today. Mr. Ashchan, Mr. Damandev, Professor Rachna Garg, Professor Indu, Professor N.S. Raghav, Professor Kaur, Professor Gurjit Kaur, Mr. Pramukji, Professor Rohit, Professor Rajesh Rohit. Actually, I will take some time to remember. Registrar Professor Madhusudan, Professor Upi Verma ji, dear faculty members and students, and more important, the participant of this workshop. Really, this word, if you will say Internet of Things, but I don't know why this name comes Internet of Things, because we know that Internet, we know the different equipments as an electronics engineer, different sensors, different devices which are used for the purpose of the Internet. But Internet is important part of our daily life. You cannot imagine here the life today without Internet. Once you start your morning, immediately you see your phone, and the technology, what is the technology behind this? So the role of the electronics engineer is very important here to develop here the various sensors, especially the VLSI technology, which make it enable here to develop here the various components on a small chip. Millions of components here fabricated on a small chip, and today you are in position to have a mobile in your pocket. So it is the invention of only last 20 years. But if you go before that, those who are of in my age or elder to me, they were not expecting here the day you will have a mobile in your pocket or a communication or connectivity. So this is really a wonderful here for the society given by the electronics engineers. So congratulations to all electronics engineers. And definitely this workshop will help you to understand, or basically those who know about the technology will refresh you. And this physical mode, definitely after more than 1.5 years, most of them are interacting physically today here in this. And thanks to the organizing team who have taken the lead to organize in a physical mode this first kind of workshop. And definitely this will give you the immense pleasure to attend here this workshop. and you will feel happy at the end of this workshop, because after a long time you will see you are attending in a physical mode, because without hands-on practice, I hope you will feel you will do something on hands-on practice on the different boards and different kits. So this will give you here the real feel of this workshop. So with this, I congratulate to the organizers, especially to IEEE Delhi section and participants for organizing and attending this workshop. Once again, thanks to all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us all by your influential words. Now may I request the respected HOD of ECE Department, Professor N.S. Raghav, sir, to present the token of gratitude and respect to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. May I now request Professor S. Indu ma'am to felicitate Professor Rachna Garg ma'am. Now I would like to request Professor Gurjeet Kaur ma'am to present the token of respect to Mr. Daman Dev Sood, sir. May I again request Professor N.S. Raghav, sir, to felicitate Mr. Sri Chandra, sir. Thank you, sir. May I now request the coordinator of the event, Professor Gurjeet Kaur ma'am, to propose the vote of thanks to our esteemed guests and participants.
Thank you, Lavi. Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, senior IEEE members, respected HOD, sir, eminent faculty members, our most valuable participants, ladies and gentlemen. A very good afternoon to all of you. Today I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. On behalf of the entire workshop organizing team, I am very grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, who is an eminent academician, researcher and administrator. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence and gracing this occasion. Your words of wisdom will really help us to improve ourselves. Sir, you are truly an inspirational personality for all of us as you work with lots of dedication and zeal for the betterment of the society. I would like to express my profound gratitude to Mr. Daman Dev Sood, sir, Senior Member IEEE Computer Society, for his gracious presence for this event. I would like to thank our beloved Rachna ma'am for her constant moral support and guidance. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to exceptionally thank Mr. Sri Chandra sir and Pramod sir for their substantial cooperation in conceiving organization of this workshop. We are also thankful to a respected HOD sir, who is a pillar of strength of ECE department. Sir, your encouragement and support for this workshop is great source of inspiration and motivation. Thank you so much, sir. A big thank you to Indu ma'am for organizing and guiding us for this workshop. Thank you, ma'am. After this, heartfelt thanks to go to all DTU administration and registrar, sir, for providing us financial assistance for this workshop in a very short duration. Thank you so much, sir. I especially like to thank all faculty members of the department, especially Professor O.P. Verma, sir, Professor Neeta Pandey ma'am, Professor Rajesh Rohela sir, Anurag sir, Piyush sir, for coming and giving us blessing for this occasion. Thanks for your progressive warmth environment and friendly bonding with us. Thank you so much. I am deeply grateful to all our eminent experts who accepted our invitation in spite of their busy schedule. Their thoughts and experience will surely enlighten our minds and will show us a new path. We are very fortunate enough to be supported by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues like Panda sir, Sachin, Manjeet, Lavi and Cool from DTU who know their jobs and are really results oriented. Thank you so much for with us. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to our volunteer team who were always working with us to make this workshop a great success, as no program can be successful without participation. So I extend my big thanks to all the participants who trust us and register for this event. Your overwhelming response really motivated us to plan such events in future as well. Once again, I thank you all and wish everyone success and good health. Thank you so much.